Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain the trades that we provided in our VIP group and free group. For those who are new here, if you want to join us, enjoy our signals, and gain some knowledge, you can text us on Telegram. You can also join our free group, where we provide free signals. The link is available in the description, so go and check it out. Now let's proceed with the video. Here is the first trade, which we provided in the free group on AUD/CAD for the upside move. Let me explain why we provided this trade. You can see a moving average here, and the previous red candle closed above the moving average. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was an amazing win. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we provided in the VIP group on AUD/CAD for the call side. Here you can see the trade. There was a support level, and when we provided the signal, we got the entry below the support level. From the support level, the market moved up, and it was a good win. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we provided on GBP/AUD for the downside move. Let me explain why we provided this trade. You can see a downtrend, and there was also a moving average along with a resistance level. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move. And this was also an amazing win. So this is how we won 3 non-martingale trades. Yes, all our trades were non-martingale, so you can check them out. All the links are available in the description, or you can text us on Telegram at @BBinary Support. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts about the video. Till then, see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.